Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Today, as we commemorate the National Day of Education Support Personnel, realized under the Republic Act 12178, I respectfully convey my profound appreciation to the unsung heroes of Tarlac Cultural University, our selfless and hardworking non-teaching personnel. You are the foundation upon which our institution stands every boundary, the silent force that ensure the smooth delivery of quality education. From our clerks to our maintenance staff, IT support to drivers, your contributions keep TU moving forward. This inaugural celebration reminds us that every role is vital to our collective success. As TU President, I reaffirm our university commitment to your growth and well-being. Through continuous training, modernization of systems, and inclusive policies, we will ensure that your efforts are met with meaningful support and boundless opportunities. Together, let us embrace transformative change, not just an individual, but as one united institution. Una-una po, when I started as a president of TAU, hindi ko naramdaman ang transition with the support of our non-teaching personnel. Kung nasaan man po ang TAU ngayon, alam ko that I have your support. To our education support personnel, thank you for your service, your resilience, and your passion. You inspire us to strive for excellence and help develop the next generation of Filipino nation builders. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Agbyag TTAU. Maraming salamat po.